Sound. Vibrating air molecules that propagate an audible wave of pressure in a pattern we call a sound wave. Sound is actually all around us. Unfortunately though, we're stuck with this spectrum from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Hearing, one of the first senses we develop before we're even born. Just look at this. When music is played to this baby, its heart rate goes up by 20%. But it doesn't seem to like this song. Just look at that little face. What is sound? Sound creates matter. Let me show you. Now, just a word of warning. You might want to cover your ears for the last bit of this one. So, a rather clever Swiss scientist by the name of Hans Jenny studied in the field of cymatics. What's cymatics? Well, it's the study of sound and vibration made visible. Good old Hans, he discovered that sound waves pass through various kinds of malleable matter, such as water and sand, causing the formation of geometric patterns. Now just watch. As the frequencies get higher, the patterns actually become more complex. He said, the more one studies these things, the more one realizes that sound is the creative principle. So from Switzerland, we go to Greece, and the ancient philosopher Pythagoras also discovered a connection between maths and music. He believed maths and music were the expression of the same divine language. The universe is in a constant state of vibration and harmony. Even the planets emit their own unique sounds. Just listen to this. Pythagoras simply called it the music of the spheres.
In the beginning.
Waves. Frequencies. Vibrations. Leonardo Pisano, otherwise known to us as Fibonacci. He was an Italian mathematician who studied a sequence of numbers and introduced them to the world. Later studies found that the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio are interconnected. Cymatics, the visual. Fibonacci, golden ratio. It's the maths behind it. And you can't argue with maths. I wonder what the Fibonacci code sounds like. Is hidden everywhere. Famous paintings, and even inside us, in our DNA. Close your eyes. Picture it. Nighttime. Pitch black. Not a sound. Just you and that voice on the radio. You don't know who they are or what they're going to say next, but you're with them. Just you and that voice. They can take you anywhere. A busy street in New York City. To a quiet, lonely forest. Birds singing. A light breeze blowing through the trees. Or how about a beach on an exotic island? Nothing but the waves crashing against the shore. That voice can take you anywhere. See what happened there? Your senses heightened. You used your imagination to create those pictures in your mind to coincide with the sounds you were actually hearing. Your voice. The power of the human voice. You control the silence. The way you use your voice, you create the emotions. Those few seconds, minutes you're on air, you have that control. Make them smile. Make them laugh. Make them cry. Interest them. Entertain. Radio stations actually have their own sound too. And just listen to how BBC Radio has evolved over the years with sound.
This is 2LO, the London station of the British Broadcasting Company calling. 2LO calling.
Radio 1. BBC Radio 1. Where it begins.
Here's one for you. So what happens if you take a well-known man's words and merely change how it sounds?
Don't be rude. No, I'm not going to give you a question. I'm not going to give you a question.
Can you stay categorically?
You are fake news.
Sir,
go ahead.
Can you
Don't be rude. No, I'm not going to give you a question. I'm not going to give you a question. You are fake news. Go ahead.
I think that her bodyguards should drop all weapons. They should disarm, right? Right? I think they should disarm immediately. What do you think? Yes? Yes.
A remote tribe in Cameroon never ever heard Western music before. That was till a man by the name of Thomas Fritz from the Max Planck Institute for Human Cognitive and Brain Sciences came along. He discovered from the results the brain perceives harmonious music to be more significant. Music has such an impact on our brains. Basically, humans are wired to respond to music. Happy-sounding music increases the chemical serotonin, and it doesn't stop there. Sound can do even more. Oh yeah, sound heals. It naturally trains your brain to receive certain frequencies and target certain areas of the brain and even the body. Researchers discovered MRI images of subjects' brains during treatment showed that sound therapy was able to activate certain areas of the brain and repair damaged tissue and cells within the body, responsible for certain diseases. Playing tones that promote healing, happiness, and vitality can allow DNA strands to repair themselves. Who'd have known?
At moments when people have intense emotions, their heart creates frequency pictures which are a powerful indicator that they're doing something electrical inside their body when they have emotions.
Hey, this is your hip-hop happening DJ here. And how does this song make you feel?
Can't live if living is without you.
Or how about this one?
Something tells me I'm into something good.
Or how does this make you feel? Or how does this song make you feel? Or how about this one? And how about this one?
Sound creates matter. Your physical body is matter. Your body is a transmitter and a receiver. Your voice, the music. When you're on air, you have that power of sound. So if your physical body is matter, the music and sound you expose yourself to, therefore, are literally transforming you.